Welcome to the Ecom Pathfinder. Jeff here, and today we're going to be looking at a product by CapCut called Pippit that is geared towards e-commerce, selling products, making product videos, posters, and photos. Let's take a look. All right. I want to be clear from the very beginning, I am an affiliate of Pippit and CapCut. I will have links for both down in the comments. If you do happen to sign up to a paid plan, you will get a discount, A, and B, I will get a commission, okay? I want to be very clear about that up front. I do get a commission at no extra cost to you, okay? I want to be clear about that. You do with Pippit, you get free credits. I think they do the free credits every month, where you can make a video or two, a poster or two every month if you wanted to give it a go, give it a try, before you decided to do the paid plan. But I wanted to show you guys kind of what it looks like, how it works, and what you have access to. Let me actually shrink my camera a little bit. Y'all know I won't edit that out because I'm real. If you scroll up here to the top, you can actually see you got marketing videos, avatar videos, which are very cool. You can actually make your own avatar videos on the paid plan. You have to have the paid plan for this. You could make yourself into the avatar video, which is really freaking cool. For my introverts out there, because then you could script out and you actually do voice record. You give it a voice sample, and then you can script out, and the avatar will sound like you and look like you. It's pretty cool. The AI talking photo. This is new. It's still kind of being developed. Let me slide my camera out of the way. The AI talking photo, right there. You can create posters, which are this. I'm still exploring because I want to make them for Pinterest. Because as you guys know, I am real big on Pinterest. I actually made a Pinterest crash course for only $9, by the way, and I give you Canva templates. You get 20 free Canva templates with the crash course. I'll link that down below as well. I actually just made that the other day. You guys are the first ones to know about that. Tell everyone. Normally, I would say, shh, don't tell anyone. I want you guys to tell everyone. Everyone buy my stuff. And then you could actually do product photos. So there's a lot going on here. Remember, this is made by CapCut, okay? Which, for those of you who don't know, CapCut is owned by TikTok. So it's reliable, reputable, except for when the government of the United States bans TikTok, right? Right? I had a lot of people, a lot of my friends in the business space and the content creation space, when TikTok was banned, they're still on other platforms, right? But they do all their editing with CapCut. And so they're like, oh my God, how do I edit? Whether they edit on the computer or on these things on their phones. I do a lot of my editing on my phone. And they all freaked out. They're like, oh my God, what do I do? I said, it's time to learn DaVinci Resolve or something else. You know what I mean? Adobe Premiere or whatever. So it's always good to diversify in case something does happen. But if you didn't know, now you do. CapCut and Pippit are owned by the parent company, which owns TikTok. So they're all together. They all go in one. If you do on your phone, if you actually use CapCut, you can, and like I believe on the computer as well, because I do a lot of my editing on the computer, but then I export and do other editing through Canva as well, because there's some stuff I can't do on CapCut, or that I like better on Canva. But I know on your phone, you can export directly to TikTok without a watermark, which is sweet. But yeah, okay, back to Pippit. I already have my Etsy store kind of loaded up in here, and I just wanted to show you guys a video or two that they loaded up here. And I wanted to show you here this one.
Engaging learning.
Hands-on fun.
Customizable joy.
Printable access.
Welcome. Today we're exploring innovative activities that can spark joy in learning for children aged K2. Let's hear from some parents about their experiences with our educational worksheets.
These worksheets kept my kids engaged and excited about learning.
I love how customizable they are. We make learning fit our style.
The hands-on activities have transformed our study time into fun time.
As a teacher, these printables are a go-to for my class activities.
There you have it. Engaging, hands-on, and fully customizable, these worksheets are a must-have for just $9. Grab yours today and elevate your child's learning journey.
Engaging learning.
Hands-on fun.
So that right there, guys, was made directly from Pippit. Now, it does say on the bottom, I don't think you guys could see it, it does say on the bottom that the accurate lip sync will be available after export. That is an ad that was made by Pippit for a product. That product is in my Etsy store. It's a digital download product for summertime educational worksheets for grades K through 2 that my wife and I made. That is a really good ad, right? Parents and teachers talking about what they are, how they use them, how they're customizable. All of that stuff is right from my Etsy description. That's wild. And now I can go in there and edit. Like if I go back to the video, let's click on the video again. I can click on the scissors here and I could go into edit mode, right? You could straight up download it if you like it, right? There's so much you can just do with it right there. And when you go into edit mode, it takes you directly to CapCut, whether you're on your phone or on your computer. You'll go into CapCut and you can edit. So that's insanely good. Like, that's crazy. So I wanted to definitely show you guys that. If we scroll down here, they give you trending stuff on TikTok, funny memes, right? With the cat sliding in, and then you go into your product, plot twist. It hands you things to make your product stand out. Remember, it's all about creating content to make your product stand out. Whatever that product is, it could be a digital product, it could be a physical product, it could be your blog, it could be your podcast, it could be you, right? Because we are products, right? I know that sounds weird to say. I don't mean, you know what? You know, like I do mean, because I respect people that do OnlyFans, okay? Okay, it could be you, right? You are a product, right? If you're selling your services, whatever that might be, it could be you, and this is a way to do it, right? We're all looking to save time. We're all looking to find trends, right? And I love CapCut. One of my very, very good friends, who I need to text, by the way, Josh, I love you. I love the CapCut memes, and when I was really heavy into video game content, which I will get back into, I promise, I would do CapCut memes making fun of an aspect of Warzone, right? And I would post them on TikTok, and they would get decent views, right? For a smaller creator like me. And he would call me the CapCut meme god. And so I love stuff like this. It saves time, it's engaging, and it gets eyes on whatever you're looking to get eyes on. Okay, so I wanted to make sure that you guys knew about this in the commerce space, in the e-commerce space. And if you own a physical business in the commerce space, you should be making content too. Okay, you should be running social media too, because it's simply going to help you get eyes on your business. If you have questions about that, need help doing that, want some coaching doing that, you let me know. And I'll set up a coaching course. We can talk pricing, and I'll help you, right? Pippit, you will get 50% off if you use my link down below. $16.99 to get the big amount of credits. You can try it out for free to see what it looks like, see if you like it. It will have the free plan restrictions, okay? But $16.99 after that, which is 50% off if you use my link. Okay. Again, it is an affiliate product. I will leave my CapCut affiliate product link below as well. which I believe is 33% off if you do not pay for CapCut as well. If you want CapCut Pro, which I always recommend CapCut Pro because you get so much with it that makes your content stand out even more. Okay? If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Keep creating. Okay? These things right here help your product stand out, help you stand out, get eyeballs on what you're trying to sell. And I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. You guys have a good one.